The first step for Miracle Couriers was to tap the human potential in all their employees. Now here, human potential is the human strength, energy, how to use it. Let's see. Many of the day, people grow up in an overprotected environment or are subject to ill treatment for being different. Now, in India, these disabled persons have been used as used very badly, just like ill treatment means they were not served well. They are disabled, that's why they torture. Let's see then what to do. So Miracle Couriers gave all its employees a competitive and professionally demanding environment. Competitive and demanding. So this company, this Miracle Couriers started that this deaf person has to be given priority, that employees should be given chance. What? Competitive means they can fight, and professionally demanding environment means they need their jobs. That's why every deaf person should get job. Then nobody can think that they are disabled and the ill treatment should not be. Yeah, forcing them to rise above their disability and rise up to take on chances. Working at Miracle gives its employees an immense amount of confidence. Yeah. So in this job, if they will do those persons, those are not able to listen, and if they do job, then they will get immense amount of confidence. Means extremely great amount of what? Confidence, with faith that they can also do. So nobody can think negative of them. Okay. So that becomes a much more valuable gain than the financial independence that they own or themselves. Now they get what? Financial independence. They don't need any support of any other person. They are happy because they are not in the cage of any person. They can enjoy life. Okay. So financial independence that they earn from themselves. They are self-dependent, that means. As a consequence is result. Yeah. Many of them are able to go back home and support their families rather than having to be helplessly dependent on them. Now the disabled person who helpless, they depend upon the human being and the person who earn, but now they were self-dependent. They can go out of the house, they can do job, they can earn money, and they can help the family members. So it was a very nice job for Dhruv to start this type of services, Miracle Couriers. Okay, let's see. Over the last 2 years, Miracle Couriers has grown to operate in 2 branches in Mumbai. Yeah, in which this service started in Mumbai. Okay, and employing 70 deaf employees. How many? 70 deaf. And this job started. And delivering over 65,000 shipments. 65,000 shipments. This much of the parcels and the letters. Okay. Then see, the back office is run by 20 hardworking deaf women with practically equal knowledge in data entry and manipulation, tracking and scanning, sorting and other branch operation. Now here 20 women worker also work. Those additional 20 women also work, and whatever women they have taken, they have some idea, practically accurate knowledge in data entry means computerized, computer knowledge, manipulation means handling, how to handle these shipments or parcels, tracking, yeah, tracking is where the postage, and scanning, yeah, scanning we know from which place is common, sorting means arranging, and other branch operations. All these works they could do, these disabled persons. Okay. 44 male deaf couriers agents navigate the complex lands of Mumbai. Then 44 male courier service worker, deaf courier agent navigate means played the complex land of Mumbai. Now they can show different places to send these letters. They travel on public transport to avoid traffic, and in the middle of all this they managed to remain conscious of keeping a low carbon footprints. Now they instead of going by the private transport, they use public transport. Why? Because to save the pollution. They were very much conscious about this environment. They were eco-friendly. They were not to make lots of pollution, because low carbon footprint means total amount of greenhouse gases to reduce. Yeah. So how this leader of this company, leader of this courier service was very brainy, and how he started this job in that people, it is very interesting and praiseworthy. Let's see. Everything from pick up to delivery. Pick up means starting point, delivery means the ending point. Okay. Is carefully planned in sign language, not by spoken language. Sign language by the action, because that person cannot listen, cannot answer. By action they say. Yeah. The field agents receive instructions. Field agent means those who go to the outside. Okay. By cell phone messages. Yeah. Through nowadays all the thing which in message, suppose any post letter comes, message comes, when we say that we have already got this message, letter or the post, then message goes to the office. Everything connected with the mobile phone. Okay. Cell phone messages of client address. Client address means the office address or the professional person or the company's address. And a time for when documents need to be picked up. Yeah. When the work is done, then document is needed, that it's already got. Okay. Upon arriving at the client's office, yeah, client office is the company's office, so where it is started from, shipment are counted, means how many letters or the these couriers have been gone or not, and count confirmation message is sent back to the branch supervisor. Now, after work is done, then they count exact number, how many, suppose 100, out of 100 is delivered or not. They have the mobile and the computer record. So they did the work very nicely. Once the package arrived at the branch, they are sorted. Now, from the main center to the branch is the part. Yeah, there suppose your post comes from Bombay to Khariarud or Napra district. From Bombay to the branch part, and different places it comes, and finally comes to our destination. So they have to arrange like that. Okay, the packages arrive at the branch, they are sorted. Sorted means arranged. Okay, processed and prepared for delivery in three processes: sorted, processed, and prepared, then delivery. The back office staff sort the shipments based on pin codes. Yeah, pin codes are needed, you know. Our pin code of Napra is 766104. Okay. So let's see. In this way, there in this Mumbai it started. Its pin code I don't know, but they have to sort it according to its pin code. Okay. Further sorting is carried out by each field agent who is responsible for a designated area of delivery. These super savvy agent. These super savvy agent means these very talented and very skillful or knowledgeable agent, or they have more brands. These deaf person have more idea, have mastered the narrow lanes. Yeah, narrow lanes means very short routes in a very small narrow way. How they have more idea, and or marked buildings of the area. Unmarked building is the building which we don't know, but address they can read, they can go through the path, and they can find the location. They are very smart in doing their work. Okay, once sorted, each document is given a tracking code. Yeah, there was a tracking code. Do you know tracking? To capture which is it and enter into the system. And in the system is like computerized, that if there will be no mistake, it is perfectly work is done. Okay, this allows the company to track and maintain transparency. They allow the company to track and maintain transparency as to who is responsible for which shipment. Now, this company, how it tracks Yeah, tracks means it reaches in its place. And maintain transparency means easy to see. As transparent is very easy to clear to see. Okay. As to who is responsible for which shipment means who will get which this package and who will find. They do without any mistake. So they are very active. They are very techniques. Those the blind person they could do because of this mastermind, this Dhruv. Okay. A digital delivery status report is then returned to the client. Now digital status report. Now after later the post is gone or the package is gone. Now the report by this digital. Okay. And the office is once returned to the client office the day after the delivery. Yeah, something package is already reached this person. Then report is gone to client with the office. The primary language used at Miracle Couriers is the Indian Sign Language, ISL, sign language. You can see this picture. There are different types of sign language. You can see the depth study. And in this sign language, you can understand by expression that what is, I have not studied this sign language, about the I have no idea, but there is a subject, okay. But a very common thing we know, but different sign language, different expressions. Those who have a special study, they can actually teach you well, okay. Indian Sign Language, it was in Hindi language, okay, and they were taught. The entire organization and management of courier operations and the numerous teams is conducted in sign language, okay. All the work was done by sign language, every worker. So imagine that in Mumbai it started in the year 2009, okay. A Miracle Courier started. The miracle force is needless to say. Needless to say means no need of speech. Fluent in the language means able to express oneself easily. No need of speech. In this job, बात करने की कोई जरूरत नहीं है. In their sign language, they can do the work. That means the blind or deaf, sorry, not blind, but deaf person can do this job without any listening power. It's clear? Now let's see. So communication between Miracle Field Agent and branch staff during the day is done by text messaging. The communication between Miracle Field Agent and branch. Field Agent means जो बाहर गया है, branch means जो office है. Now during the day, पूरा दिन के समय में is done by text messaging. या मैसेज से उनका डीलिंग होता था. Writing message, not spoken. In this chapter, we see that बातों का जरूरत नहीं है. Writing से जो blind, deaf person है, जो बहरे हैं, वो लोग पढ़ के भी कुछ काम कर सकते हैं, ठीक है? Text messaging has been a wonderful technological advance for the deaf. Text messaging means no need of speech, no need of talking, writing form. Yeah, the deaf child can read and can understand, okay? So in this way they can talk, they can communicate. Yeah, allowing them to communicate complex means very lengthy, very long sentences. Many long sentences are called complex, and varied messages over long distances. Yeah, maybe from many distances through the text message, maybe mobile phone, cell phone can be sent. Yeah, there are different technologies. So this also allows the management team members or the branch, management team members, those who are all involved in this job, branch is a part of the company, to broadcast information to all agents, whether they are at home or on the field. Now, wherever they are, they can communicate by the text message, and they can handle everyone. They may be at home, they may be in the office, wherever they are. Now in the very advanced technology of mobile phone, you can see courier service. Suppose your post is delivered at home, then those who bring these letters or the parcel, they send this message that it is delivered. Then it goes to the office, and in the mobile also message comes. So it is easy to communicate. So they have this technology maybe followed. The back office supervisors, A trend in the professional antiquity and productive technology associated with email messaging, which is done in English. Now, back office supervisors. Back office supervisor means those who are in the out of the back of the office, means not in the front. A trend means maybe outside. Yeah, maybe they are not in the office but they are on the field. Yeah, trend in the professional antiquity means the code of conduct. They have to talk well, not means not to talk but to behave well. Now, polite behavior in society, particularly in profession or a group, means they were taught. Antiquity means they are taught there how to handle the human customer or the people. Antiquity means. And productive technology associated with email messaging. Yeah, message go through email, through mobile, which is done in English. Yeah, means they can behave well, polite behavior in society, and they can do the job very finely. As the CEO of the company, who is CEO of the company, had Dhruv spends his time meeting new clients, yeah, new officers, new professional jobs, looking after the finances and leading the company forward. Because for any job, company or any work, money is needed. Without finance, we cannot do any job, any work. For any work, money is needed. So, how to handle this money, that is also very important. So, this Dhruv, he handled these things, looking after the finances and leading the company forward means uplift or company is आगे बढ़ेगा. Let's see their services. There means Dhruv, including all the big person. You can see 70, 20 women, 24 male, and etc. etc. You can see their services currently available in only in Mumbai are soon to be extended to cities across India. In this book, it is mentioned that it is only limited in Mumbai and they are trying to make available these type of deaf services in different cities of India. Let's see. I hope that it will progress because of their dedication and hard work. And the last paragraph let's discuss. The organization has won several awards, including in the 2009 Helen Keller Award. They got award because of their true service. Though they are disabled, they cannot listen, and because of their true service, they were awarded by different awards. One of the award name is Helen Keller Award in the year 2009, and one more award in 2010 also they got award, National Award for the Empowerment of People with Disability. Another award's name, National Award for the Empowerment of People with Disability. Next award in 2010. And December 2010, Miracle Couriers was awarded. Now already 10 years passed, we are in 2020. I think after 10 years, I hope they have more achieved, okay. In December 2010, Miracle Couriers was awarded the National Award for the Empowerment of People with Disability by the Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment. Who gave this award? Social Justice and Empowerment. This office, they gave the award to this disabled people's miracles couriers leaded by Dhruv to this office, and I hope that. So we should not say that those who are disabled they cannot do. By proper guideline, proper teaching, and proper way of arranging, every person can serve, can do any type of job. So we should not neglect this type of person, and we should encourage this type of persons to carry on these lessons, give good message to every one of you that we should be positive to do better for society. I hope you, whatever I have discussed, you have understood. Read this chapter and read and understand, meditate, labor hard, and hope a good day. Okay, goodbye. Thank you.